I'm about ready to get on a train where there'll be a lot more people than 10 people. My train's being called.
So you can do record.
Well, you're on now. So I am on the 7:30 train to downtown Orlando, and it's probably off 50%, if not more. Anyway, it's pretty quiet downtown, and already it's different looking, so we'll see what happens when we get down there. Coronavirus is definitely having an impact. I'm sure you've noticed all that. This city is very, very quiet. There's not very much going on. The train is probably 70% off its ridership. The streets are pretty quiet. I'm going to walk south on Orange down to Church Street and take a look at how busy it is here. The first thing I need to do though is cross the train tracks, so probably turn it off for that. I get cranky when that happens. I'm walking up to the courthouse building now from the Lynx station. If you're familiar, it's like literally a block away. It is 7:49 in the morning and it is quiet. Honestly, I don't know how the businesses are going to survive much more of this, especially the restaurants that require people eating and ordering and working downtown. It's going to be quite a hit. So I'm at the old Bank of America building, which is downtown Orlando. And it is really quiet. Very few cars on the street. Construction's going on. I was kind of wondering about that, but that looks like it's going on. But here's a picture of the street. That's northbound. Oh, I should say that's looking north. There is no northbound on a one-way. That's southbound. And the traffic is just incredibly light. Be interesting to see if some of the restaurants I go to are open or not. I usually get a kale salad with black beans in the morning. Keeps me pretty healthy. I have diabetes, so the healthier I eat, the better my blood sugar. I'm hoping it's open. So as I'm walking along, I'm noticing a lot of parking lots are empty. They're normally pretty full. There's a lot of notices on people's doors also saying people shouldn't come to work. And now we're getting into the real downtown area and it is empty. I wouldn't say it's a ghost town, but I just don't see many people at all. And the streets are cleaner, which I'm guessing means that the adult partying time may be impacted too. It's St. Patty's Day. Last year at this time I was in Savannah with Karen having a great time. I bet it's different there. There's Lizzy's, which is in Orlando, downtown. Looks like they're preparing, but right now it would appear that all bets are off as to whether restaurants will even be open a little later. So the news media is out, probably reporting the same thing I am. Exclusive. Here's the Morgan and Morgan and Morgan and Morgan. And Morgan and Morgan and Morgan and Morgan, I don't know what they're doing. Imagine they're still gonna do pretty well. Crossing West Central Boulevard right now, and it remains quiet downtown. Literally nothing going on. Coming up on Pine Street, which is really, Pine and Church, from what I can tell, are always seen as some of the most busy places in downtown. And you can see the traffic is very, very light. I'm gonna cross Pine here in a minute without getting hit. You can see empty, just empty. Looking at the Chase building, which is right next to the old SunTrust building, Wahlburgers, all those areas, and it would appear empty also. Nothing really going on. I don't even see homeless people. There's usually a lot of homeless people downtown in Orlando, especially right here in this area, asking for some assistance, whatever they might need. And I'm happy to help. I try to all the time. Oh, Walgreens is open. There was some discussion it wouldn't be. Walgreens is open, which is really good. And I'm buying some stuff to show my appreciation.
Ready.
So because Walgreens is open downtown in Orlando, I'm fitting the part. Yep. So I'll probably get my ass beat or something, because you're not supposed to have fun when there's coronavirus. But I mean, I am socially isolating myself, largely because of this outfit. The tutu, actually, I mean, I think that's what does it. Well, let's see if Latin Square is open. I don't eat there. I usually eat at Nature's Table, which they look open, but we'll know in a minute. Latin Square, they're open. Oh yay! I can't eat anything here. But so, how you doing, man? I can't give you a hug. No. Actually, this is the end. But so I got a YouTube channel. So I was hoping you guys would be on, like, open. And
just today.
Then, just today.
Tomorrow we're gonna stay home.
Well, that's not good. Do you guys mind being on? And just wave. This is the best food in downtown Orlando, probably elsewhere. Latin Square. This is Enrique. Is everybody family? Who's who?
Yeah, she's my wife.
Yes.
She's my stepdaughter.
Yes.
And her sister.
Oh, it really is. I didn't know you very well. But, well, I'm really happy. And I'm telling you, they have the best food.
And I'm happy for this customer.
You're happy because I dressed like an idiot. Oh, wait a minute. And I don't even know how this works. Bye, everybody. Adios. Latin Square is the best. So now we're going over to Nature's Table. Nature's Table should be open, and I'm gonna get my salad there. So there's some normalcy. And yes, I'm wearing this thing all day just to make people happy. Because you know what? That's what I'm about. I'm Mr. Happiness. That's Nature's Table. And I'm gonna go get a salad now. So right now I'm at Nature's Table and I'm doing a lot of nature stuff. Oh, I was gonna bring it around to you. I mean, you don't want your boss to know you came around this side. So like Nature's Table, the best. This is the best food for me in the morning, right? Because you guys got the kale, the black beans, the jalapeños, and smiles and happiness. So, and they are open. So I just got off Sunrail. I took you for a tour of Orlando on St. Patrick's Day. Last year I was in Savannah with Karen having a great time. This year I was in Orlando trying to figure out if I'd have a meal because all the businesses were closed because coronavirus is having that type of impact. Anyway, we do hope that you continue to watch these videos. Please like and subscribe. as you see fit. This is Wild Journeys. I'm Mark, and again, hope you find this stuff interesting. Appreciate you taking time to watch. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.